Welcome to our channel. My name is Sylwia and I work at Autenti as a product specialist. Today, I will tell you about the process of issuing an InfoCert qualified signature certificate in Autenti. Let's get started. You can order an InfoCert qualified signature certificate via Autenti website or by contacting a sales department representative directly. As an applicant, you will receive a message with instructions to your email address. Once you have read the InfoCert certification policy provided in the attachment, please click on the link "Go to the video verification process." Now choose the verification date. Enter your name, email address, and mobile phone number. This will ensure that in the event of connection problem, a consultant will be able to contact you. After confirming the date and time of video verification, go to the form. Fill in the fields with the data used to activate your certificate. Remember, you will need the document you copied the data from at the next stage of the conversation with the consultant. In order to successfully complete the entire video verification process, all you need is a good internet connection, a functioning webcam, passport, and mobile phone. You will receive a video verification link to your email address. On the date of your choice, open the link provided through which the consultant will contact you. Make sure you have a camera in your laptop or smartphone, as it is necessary for the proper video verification. The video call takes about 20 minutes. Remember to have your ID you used when filling out the form with you. During the video verification, the consultant compares the personal data you provided in the application. During the video verification, the consultant takes a photo of your ID card. For security reasons and for evidentiary purposes, the entire conversation is recorded. Remember, the identity verification service necessary for the issuance of a qualified signature is carried out by persons authorized and trained to do so. All the data that you provide is completely safe. After positive video verification, which takes no more than 20 minutes, you submit an application for a qualified electronic signature. Keep your browser open to go to the next step. You are redirected to the panel where you sign your application online. Tick the required consent. Then, enter the SMS code that is sent to your phone number. At this stage, you need to set your individual PIN code. Remember it because you will use it every time you sign a qualified signature. The last step is to sign a contract with a supplier of a qualified electronic signature and activate the certificate at the same time. You will receive by email an approved certificate application and an individual certificate login that you will use on the Autenti platform. Would you like to sign a copyright transfer document or perhaps an employment contract? In both cases, it will be necessary to use a qualified electronic signature. Go to our website or consult our advisor to order an InfoCert qualified signature at Autenti.